Adding upcoming events to your WordPress website can help keep visitors informed about important dates or activities. You can do this by using plugins or by manually adding event information to your site. Here's how to do it. Use an event plugin. Install an event plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for a plugin like the Events Calendar or Event Manager. Install and activate. Click Install Now and then activate the plugin. Add new event. After activation, go to the plugin section in the dashboard. Enter your event details, including event title, date and time, location, event description. Publish the event. Click Publish to make the event visible on your website. Manually add events. Create a new post or page. Go to Posts, add newer pages, add new and create an event page. Include event information. Manually enter the event details such as date, time, location and description. Publish. Once the content is added, click Publish to make the event live.